Well, fundamentally, the right to life trumps every other right, because if someone can take your life, what does it matter if you have the right to property? What does it matter if you have the right to legal counsel? What does it matter if you have the right to movement?
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
If someone can take your life, what does it matter if you have the right to property? What does it matter if you have the right to legal counsel? What does it matter if you have the right to movement? If you've lost your life, the rest are irrelevant. And so head and shoulders, the right to life is paramount. And so the right to defend yourself. But then, as a human being, the right to defend someone else. Because as human beings, we rely on other people. We're part of communities, and those communities are families, and they are tribes, and they are larger groups, and even the anonymous person who needs assistance in the face of criminal violence. And their right to life supersedes the right of the criminal who is violating that right.
Yeah.
And if in the process of defending someone else, my life then comes into jeopardy, I have every right to defend it.
Yeah.
Now, they may simply be trying to have defended their property. They were being bugged. But it isn't about the property. It's about saving them from grievous harm or death, paramount. And everything else is secondary.
Yeah.